Welcome and namaste. This is the PostGIS function of the week, episode 11. I'm Reese, and this week's function is stArea. What is stArea? stArea is a function that returns the area of a polygon or multi-polygon. Let's pop into pSQL to have a look at the function signature. There are three variants, one for the geography type, one for the geometry type, and the last accepts a text string, which should be a well-known text representation of a polygon or multi-polygon. Let's do a simple example using the third variant. This polygon is a square with sides 10 units in length and thus an area of 100 units square. Pretty straightforward. Nothing complex really about this function. Let's look at an example using real data. We'll use the parish table and get the area of each parish. Now we get back a figure in meters squared because that is the unit for the SRID that the table is using. Of course, these numbers are very large and very long. So let's convert it to kilometers squared by dividing by 1 million. We will also order it by the area, starting with the largest first. Alright, so Kingston is by far the smallest parish, and Saints Elizabeth and Anne are neck and neck for first place. A question I used to ask is, does the area account for polygons with holes in them? Yes, it does. In fact, let's create a table and have a look. As you know, I like my namespaces, so we shall create a namespace called testing, and then we will create a copy of the parishes table in that new namespace. I then need to add a primary key because QGIS doesn't like to edit stuff without a primary key. And then I'll pop into QGIS and edit a couple parishes, add some holes, and then we can rerun the stArea query. And yes, the addition of holes make the area smaller. That does sound like a good riddle. What do you add to a polygon and the area gets smaller? Okay folks, hope you enjoyed this episode. I may be sticking to measurement functions for the next week or two. Not too sure yet, but it does look likely. Alright, take care. Bye!